FluoRender tutorial. Customize neutral rotation angles. We added a function to set the neutral rotation angles in FluoRender. To demonstrate, we first load an example dataset. The scan is not upright when the XYZ rotation angles are 0. It is possible to adjust the rotations in render view to make it upright. However, after we look around the scan and reset the rotation angles, it goes back to the initial state. The new function allows setting any rotation angles as the neutral state. We correct its Z rotation angle to level the scan. Then, click the 0 rotation button to set current angles as neutral. Notice that the angle values all become 0. All subsequent rotation operations use the new orientation as the neutral state. It essentially defines new XYZ axis for rotations. When angles are reset, the scan rotates to the defined neutral state. Render view rotation related operations all use the newly defined neutral orientation, such as the quick switch of axis-aligned viewing angles. All the XYZ options here denote the new axes. When the rotation angles are locked to 45 degrees, it uses the new axis as well. The neutral rotation angles can be redefined once more. For example, we flip the scan around Y and click the 0 rotation button. The flipped orientation becomes the new neutral state for all rotation operations. Clipping planes can be oriented using existing functions. Click the Align to View button to rotate the clipping planes to the new orientation. Then, clipping planes can be used the same way using the new orientation. The rotation axis for making movies also changes to the new definition. The scan rotations along the horizontal axis when X is selected. It rotates along the vertical axis when Y is selected. To reset the neutral state to data original, click Rotation Reset button first. Then, click the 0 rotation button. In conclusion, the new 0 rotation button makes rotation around customizable axes easy.